Alright, so I'm about to do a video on this Odor Eliminator. I got this from AutoZone. I'll put the link below. I got another one too. I think it's like ice black or black ice or something like that. Got a little scratch and sniff up here. So, we use this product. Easy to pop open the cap. So, let me turn this car on. Make sure you put it on full blast AC. Circulation right here. You can put it like in here if you want, or right here on top of the thing. However you want to do it. Just pop open the cap. Hit this little button right here. Put this tab, hold it down. Or I can put it right here if you want. You can put it down here, up here. Hit that. Do it for like 15 minutes. Remember, leave this AC on full blast so it can circulate. And then go from there. After 15 minutes, wait a little bit after that, and then it should be good after that. Pretty much nothing hard. So, yeah. There we go. There we go right there. Shut your door and go from there.